In this video, we'll be going over a step-by-step process on how to simplify a bald fade. I'm going to start by taking my top down to a 1.5. In my next step, I'm going to take my first guideline up using my cordless Wahl Detailer Li's to create my first guideline. Here I'm going to use my one all the way open to pretty much debulk the area above that first guideline and blend right into the 1.5. In this step, I'm going to use my no guard open to create my second guideline about a 1/2 inch above that first guideline that I created with the Detailer's Li. Here I'm going to use my half guard with the taper lever opened to blend in that second guideline. With the taper lever closed, I'm going to blend out the shadows and the lines of demarcation. Finally, with our taper lever closed, we're going to use a corner of the blade to remove that bottom line. And finally, we have the Wahl Finale. This is a foil shaver that gets the hair on the side of the scalp all the way smooth to the skin. This pretty much can replace a straight razor for those of you who are not allowed to use straight razors. This will get the skin very, very smooth, removing all the hair. Now, in some cases, this will leave a line behind because you're having to cut the hair against the grain. So when that does happen, all you have to do is put the blade of the actual foil above the area where you may have caused a line and actually cut the hair going with the grain to remove any kind of lines of demarcation that you may have accidentally added into with this foil shaver. It does take a little extra work to use a foil shaver on any bald fade, but better believe that when you do, it definitely does add an extra depth of freshness. Right here, we're going to use our Wahl Cordless Detailer Li's. Last but not least, I'm going to use my straight blade to get this line nice and tight. I hope that this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.